Good morning, guys. It's on a Monday, vlog number 75. Welcome. So, guys, as you can see, it's not raining over here, but the rain is just ahead and a lot of fog. Wow, interesting. As usual, let's try and beat the traffic. I already have road rage. Oh man, it's currently 7:03. I'm supposed to be at work at around 7:30. Oh, just got into traffic next to Carnival. Traffic is actually moving now. Oh, this is bad. This is very, very bad. But we are almost to town. Just a few kilometers, like 2, and we get into town. Whoa. Check this out, guys. There's a lot of traffic.
My fingertips were made to touch your skin. Days only last for a minute. I never questioned why. I always knew you were mine. Loving you is in my DNA. Yeah, loving you is the only way. Yeah, loving you is in my DNA. Yeah, loving you is in my
That used to be my class. Now this is my parking. 6:37. Now it's time to rush home. This is going to be, I feel it is going to be a crazy drive. It's going to be crazy. Let's go. Let's go home, guys. Let's go. Oh. Currently stuck in traffic next to the Toyota Center. Yep. Currently 6:46. Today I'm arrived at home at around 8 p.m. Let's go and see what's up. Finally, I've arrived, man. Thank you guys for watching the video. Continue supporting me, man. If you haven't subscribed, leave a like and subscribe. See you in the next vlog. Adios.